Hey YouTube, this is Amit. This is unboxing of the Gans 356S Master version. So this is also from the Cubicle. This one was 25 bucks. So let's see what we have here. First, let's see this giant book. This is probably over here, which has notations, how the cube build, the inside of the mechanism, how to tension it, and all the OLL, PLL, and and the F2Ls, notations, and everything. So let's put it aside for now. And this is the cube itself. I guess the box itself, it also says over there on the booklet, it's closed like this, I think so. It's like a corner piece which says Gans, pretty cool. So let's put it aside. This is the cube itself. And before the cube there's also this thing, because this is the master version, there is this little screw thing to change the tension. There's 1, 2, 3 different sides of spring and new washers. Let's say it says it has numbers, I think. Not sure. No, it's not number. It's SP. I'm not actually sure. ST. Not sure actually which one, what everything is written on, but this is different way to adjust the cube. Besides tensioning with the screw itself, you can actually change the springs. So let's put it aside for a second and go to the cube itself. I guess they meant the manuals. There's a list of all the mechanism parts. So this is the cube itself. The Gans 356S, the bronze logo, and as far as the color, give me a second. Sorry about that. As far as the colors, I'm pretty sure it's almost like a Moyu color. So this is the Moyu Waylon GTS. As far as size, it's about the same, a little bit more, so I guess it's maybe like the Waylon. Let's see. Yep, the same size as the Waylon. This is the white, the green, this is a little brighter, the yellow it's a little brighter, the blue, this is darker, the red, this is darker, and the orange, this is brighter. So as far as the mechanism, I think it's also lube a little bit, just a little bit, but not much. So let's do first turns. Okay, it feels like a little bit like loose, but it does feels a little bit more massive, like more material. I mean, the GTS feel like very light, and this feels a little bit heavier. I think no, it feels even heavier than the Waylon version too, but it is very, very smooth. I guess I can play with the tensions and to see my preference. It's supposed to be something like this. This is like a reversed core, which everything is sticking out, and you use this to, like, I guess, the other side to tension it. I'm not sure what is the tensions inside. Let's see if the booklet has something to say about that. I saw something about the screws. No, it just says that there are few this is something about the box that I will probably check. Maintenance. No, there's nothing here about the type of springs, but I guess from a quick look, this one will be tighter and this one will be looser. Let's see. This is one. And this one is looser and this one is tighter. So let's see over here, try to separate one. There are two over here. There we go. So I think this is the tightest. No, this is loose. So I think this is tightest, this is the loosest. I think so. I'm still not sure what it says on the back, but pretty sure this is the three different sizes. I think I maybe want to loosen it a little bit more, although I'm not sure because the cube could get out of alignment. But it's a pretty fast cube. I think this one is faster, but maybe not for me. This one is very fast. And this one feels much better. Okay, so as far as corner cutting, I guess they all do like 1 QB, maybe a little bit more. Reverse corner cut, alignment, this line with this line, pretty easily, and that's about it. Well, it feels pretty fast. Again, it's one of the 3 cubes that I got that I'm trying to figure out which one of the 3 I prefer. I do need to lube it to my likes and tension it and whatever. So, oh, actually, you know what? I just found out there are something about the springs. So it's supposed to be like S7, S6, and S9, because in here there's S8. Okay. So, and if the number is lower, so this is like 6, 7, 9, I think. The tighter tension, loose. So the 9 is the loosest. This is the second one, third and fifth. This one is supposed to be the tightest one, and it does feel like it. So if I want to make it tighter, I have 2 more levels, and if I want to make it loose, there is 1 more. I think I will want to do it a little bit tighter, so maybe I will try to change to those. But again, I'm not sure. I have to play with that a little bit and then change it and see how it goes. And that's about it for now. So this is the Gans 356S. So thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video.